Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss the topic in the human health and diseases. Already we have discussed what is health, what are the different types of diseases that are caused, general diseases, and also we have discussed something related to the antigens and also what is immunity, as well as we have also discussed what are the different types of immunities. So here we will try to understand today the antigen and antibody. So when we come on to the immunity, immunity is the overall ability of the host to fight against disease causing agents or pathogens is called immunity. And immunity, as we have discussed, that immunity is of two types. One is inborn immunity, one is acquired immunity. Acquired immunity. Inborn immunity is also called as innate immunity or birth immunity, by birth immunity. Birth immunity. Acquired immunity is also called as non-specific, specific immunity and particular immunity. Okay. Already we have discussed that inborn immunity is of again four types. So this can be physical, functional, that can be physical, functional, cellular and cytokine, that is through interferons. And acquired immunity. Coming on to the acquired immunity, it is pathogen specific, and here antigen to antibody is produced. Antigen to antibody is produced, and here they are specific to certain antigens only. So these are only specific to certain antigens. So in the cellular we have discussed that PMNL, polymorphic nucleoside lymphocyte, nuclear polymorphic. So very important, one more question. Polymorphic nucleolymphocytes. So this is very important in immunity, raising of immunity. So these are the neutrophils. Now coming on to the interferons. viral infection, body released proteins are called interferons. So this is also very important. One more bit and need point of view also this is very important. Now the specific immunity already we have discussed that anytime the reaction takes place between antigen versus antibody. Antibody is produced by host body or host cells. Antigen is produced by pathogen. So every time the reaction takes place between these two, so whatever the antibody is giving that immunity, that is called as the pro-immunity. So whatever the antibody, the fighting resistance capability of the antibody against the antigen is called as immunity. So here already we have discussed that we have two types of antibodies. So antibodies are the proteins produced by T B lymphocytes. So what is a antibody? Means proteins produced by B lymphocytes, and antibodies are two types. One is called B lymphocyte and T lymphocytes. P lymphocyte and T lymphocyte. Once I will look to this. Coming on to the immunity, already we know primary response and next one secondary response. Primary response means when antigen means always you should remember that it is microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, protozoan, viral, helminthic, and other internal or external pathogen. This is causing microorganisms. So these are produced, antigens are produced by these. So when they encounter our body, host cell produces antibody. Already you know these antibodies are called as proteins. Produced by B lymphocytes. So these antibodies are produced, and when this encounters for the first time, the response is called as primary response. Primary response means first time. And when the antigen is produced second time, already antibodies are present. Antibodies are already present. Now they give a second time high response. The high second response or exaggerated response or immediate action and is called this response, which is already because of, is called as secondary response. So here we need to think of antigens, antibodies. So when we want to talk about this antibody, body produced by the against the antigen. So in order to easily remember, antibody means body or protein produced by, so easily remember terms of body protein produced by host, that is man, we are taking man, cell to fight against antigen. Here every time gen means by pathogen. So remember, pathogen, patho means disease causing, generation means causing, antigen, pathogen, antigen, gen, pathogen. Remember like this: antigen, pathogen, gen, body, our body, antibody, our body. So remember these 2 points, important. And coming on to the antigen, antibodies. Now different types of antibodies. Antibodies are formed by T lymphocytes. So there are 2 types of antibodies, T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. T lymphocytes are generally produced from thymus gland, and B lymphocytes are produced from bone marrow, our bone marrow, longest bone marrow, thymus gland and thymus bone, thymus gland and thymus bone, the thigh bone. So here this T lymphocytes are 3 types: killer, natural, suppressor. These are 3 types: killer, suppressor and natural. 3 types. B lymphocytes are fight against the antigen. So the important antibodies are B lymphocytes, and these antibodies are three types: IgG. So in a order, IgA antibody, comma IgM memory, IgM memory, IgE, IgD, IgD, and IgG. So these are the 5 different types of immunoglobulins. Here M means, A means antibody, M means memory, means they will be present in memory, E and D are supporting, these are similar, and this G produce globular proteins. So these are the different types of antibodies once have a glance. Now we'll talk about the next structure of antibody. Coming on to the structure of antibody, so we will try to understand antibody structure. So this is generally for 2 marks, diagram of 3 marks, and for sometimes along with explanation for 5 marks. Very important, diagram plus explanation. Now, so draw the diagram along. Everyone know why. So when you see onto the structure of antigen, so the formula of antigen is H2N2. Here H stands for heavy chains 2, 1, 2, and light chains 2, indicated with 3 and 4. 3, 4, and generally antibody consists of 4 chains, 4 polypeptide chains. That is, this is 1 and 2, 3 and 4 polypeptide chains. And you know that antibodies are 5 types or 4 types. IgA means antibody producing immunoglobulin. IgM, memory antibody. So this is responsible for secondary response. IgD, IgE, both are supporting were antibody production, and IgG, immunoglobulin antibody globular protein producing antibody, globular protein producing antibody. So here where these antibodies are present, antibodies are present in blood and fight against pathogens, antigen. So today we will stop with this. Tomorrow we will continue with the